Hi there, I'm Carla and the car lady here at Highway Mazda in Steinbach, and I want to talk to you today about setting a navigation system, not using your voice activation, but instead setting everything in the system by hand or using the touchscreen or your Mazda Connect infotainment knob. Okay, so let's go through the whole process. Here we are on our main screen. I'm going to turn it over to the navigation button and I'll click that. Now our whole navigation screen comes up and you'll see right here there is like a flag, which is like a destination with a plus. That means you're going to add that. Now I can touch it here or I can click it down below on the big button. I'm going to touch it here. So I'm going to find an address. So we can go ahead and touch find an address. Now here I have to make sure that I'm in the right country and province. For example, if you're making a trip and you want to do a road trip, you want to add in something to Saskatchewan or New Brunswick, or you're going down to the United States or into Mexico, you would want to change that here. So let's say you were going to go to Mexico, you would just start typing in the letters. It's going to give you the only available ones that there are. There's Mexico. And then once you have it ready, you can just hit this choice button and then you can choose where you want to go from here. This is going to choose your provinces. Now of course if you don't want to go to Mexico, let's say you want to do United States, you can put in United States, but that's a really long thing to type in. You can also just start typing the state that you're going to go to. So let's say you're going to go to Alabama. You start and it gives you some options. You can choose Canada, Alberta, United States, Alabama, or Alaska. So you can just go ahead and choose Alabama and then start putting in your city, street, and so forth. Okay? Now, we're not going to go so far away today. We're just going to go to Blumenort. All right, so we're going to go to find our address. This comes into where we're located we're in Canada, in Manitoba. We're going to add our city. We want to head over to Blumenort, which is a small town just north of where we're located here. As soon as I enter in where it reduces the choices just to a few, Blumenort comes in there. There are some other options, but Blumenort is the one I want. And street name. Now, again, when you're entering it, it's the same way. You can enter it by touch or you can use this button. Now, as I turn it, it goes to the different alphabets that are available. I can also toggle it up or down. All right, so we're going to see what comes up here. Penner Drive is the only one in Blumenort that starts PE, and so I'm going to choose that there. And then it says house number. Of course, this could be business number or anything like that. We're going to choose the business number, and we're going to hit this red selection button once we've got it set. And there we have navigate to. So I can click that with my big button because it's red and it's highlighted, or I can click on here, or I can save it as a favorite. So I'm just going to go right ahead right now and I'm going to hit navigate to. And then I can hit start. Now our navigation is set. So just a little bit of information about doing your navigation entry that way. Your vehicle does have to be stopped if you are using the touchscreen. You can't do that while you are driving, but you can use the knob. So if that works for you, go ahead and try that. And you might still prefer the voice activation. But if you do need to enter it by touchscreen, that's how you do it. All right, if you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Carla Ann. I'm the car lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach. Take care.